50 years ago, Advizex was founded with a bold vision.
To use technology to solve real-world challenges.
Today, we celebrate not just our success, but the resilience, innovation, and partnership
that made it possible.
Resilience has always been in our DNA. From adapting to new technologies to overcoming challenges,
we've grown stronger together.
Innovation sets us apart.
From early infrastructure management to today's breakthroughs in AI and hybrid cloud,
we've always led the way.
Our customers are at the heart of what we do.
Many have been with us for decades,
trusting us to evolve with their needs.
We build customers for life.
Our people tell the story too.
At Advizex, we're family.
This connection fuels our passion
and drives our success.
For 50 years, we've been trusted partners in healthcare,
manufacturing,
retail,
government, and more.
We don't just solve problems, we shape the future.
As we celebrate, we are already focused on what's next.
With innovation as our guide,
we're ready to lead the way
to the next 50 years.
Here's to 50 years of excellence. In the future, we'll build together.